Hello, my name is Jennifer Tarango, and today I'm going to share with you three things that you need to know on Instagram. Hello, my name is Jennifer Tarango, and I help the underdog in business unlock and manifest the fighting spirit by unapologetically showing up as you. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure you do that right now because I will be here every Thursday giving you more tips and tricks on how to grow your online or network marketing business on social media. So today I'm coming to you on Friday because yesterday was Thursday and I was traveling to St. Thomas, the Virgin Islands. I'm actually going to turn y'all around for a second so you can see the view from here before I share with you all the cool things about Instagram. So this is the view from the balcony. Okay, guys, so let's dive into some new things on Instagram that you should know. So let me screen share. Okay, so the first new feature I want to show you on Instagram is that you can undelete recently deleted posts. So if you accidentally delete a post, there is now a way that you can get it back on Instagram. So the first thing you're going to do is click these three lines up in the top right hand corner. And then you're going to click on settings. And then you're going to click on account. And then you can scroll down and you'll see recently deleted posts. I went ahead and deleted a post that y'all could see. So here you can see you have 30 days to reinstate a deleted post. So if you click on your deleted post and you can click either delete, so that'll delete it for good, or you can click restore. So it'll restore it back to where it was. So you can restore an old post. So if you accidentally delete, this is how you can go in and restore a post on Instagram. Okay, so the second cool Instagram thing that you need to know about is about stories. So there are hundreds of cool backgrounds. So you're going to go to your stories and we'll start a new story. Okay, and so you're going to come all the way, scroll all the way over here. All the way, and then click that. Now we're going to search, so you can search right here. You're going to type in background. And then in one, search. And here you can see all these cool backgrounds. So we can click on one, try it. So here, once you're here, then you can, like normal, add your words, right? So whatever you want to do there. So tons of backgrounds like that. So let's X out. So you can also look up into more backgrounds. Pretty cool. So many options. In three. Again. So this is a way you can really make your story stand out. And then in four. So play around with this and find some backgrounds that you really like so that you can really make your stories pop. And the third thing is that you don't need to put any more hashtags in your stories on Instagram. So it's not going to be shown to any new people. Only people that are already following you are going to watch your stories. So there's no reason to spend time hashtagging, hiding hashtags, shrinking hashtags in your stories. Instagram took away the ability to reach new people through hashtags. So you don't need to do that anymore. So I hope this was super helpful. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure you do that right now. If you found value in this video, go ahead and like, share, comment, and I will be back here next Thursday giving you more tips and tricks on how to grow your online or network marketing business through social media. Okay? Bye.